Good morning, students. Have a nice day. Welcome to 6th Standard English class. I hope all are safe by God's grace. Today we are going to see about poem 3 I Dream of Spices, written by Raj Armugam. Short summary of the poem. This is a simple and interesting poem by Raj Armugam on a little boy's memory while shopping for his mom. One day, when Raj's mom asked him to buy cinnamon, betel leaves, ginger, and garlic, but Raj brought sesame seeds, onions, tomatoes, and pickles, he gets loudly punished by his mom. Poem I Dream of Spices. My mother would say, Little boy Raj, go to Muthu's and get some cinnamon, betel leaves, and ginger and garlic. And so I go to the shops, singing all the way. And when Muthu asks me what I would want, I rattle off a list: sesame seeds, onions, tomatoes, and pickles. And back home, mother twists my ears. Ouch! Overview of the poem. Explanation. First two lines. My mother would say, Little boy Raj. My mother would call out to me, Little boy Raj. Next stanza. Go to Muthu's and get some cinnamon, betel leaves, and ginger and garlic. She would say to go to Muthu's shop and get some cinnamon, betel leaves, and ginger and garlic. Next lines. And so I go to the shops, singing all the way. And when Muthu asks me what I would want, I rattle off a list. And so I would go to the shops, singing all the way. And when Muthu asks me what I would want, I recite to him a list of items. Next lines. Sesame seeds, onions, tomatoes, and pickles. Sesame seeds, onions, tomatoes, and pickle. I forgot the things told by my mother. Last stanza. And back home, mother twists my ears. Ouch! And when I go home, my mother gets angry and twists my ears. I had forgotten what she has told. I cry in pain. Okay, children. Now I read the poem and once again recapitulation of the poem. I dream of spices. My mother would say, Little boy Raj, go to Muthu's and get some cinnamon, betel leaves, and ginger and garlic. And so I go to the shops, singing all the way. And when Muthu asks me what I would want, I rattle off a list: sesame seeds, onions, tomatoes, and pickles. And back home, mother twists my ears. Ouch! Written by Raj Armugam. Now, explanation of the poem. Raj's mother called him and gave him a list of items to be brought from Muthu's shop. She told him to get some cinnamon, betel leaves, ginger, and garlic. But beginning a little boy, he goes to the shop, singing happily all the way. When the shop owner asks him what does he want, he forgets what his mother had told him to buy and receipts different items like sesame seeds, onions, tomatoes, and pickles. When he gets back home, his mother gets angry and twists his ears due to his poor memory. Glossary of the poem. First one, cinnamon, the bark of a tree that gives a delicious flavor to food. Next one, garlic, A small bulb with a strong taste used in cooking. Third one, rattle off, receipt. Fourth one, sesame seeds, gingerly seeds. Last one, ouch, sound that expresses pain. Next, answer the following questions. First question, who is Raj? Answer, Raj is a little boy. Second question, where did Raj's mother send him? Answer, Raj's mother sent him to shop to buy some spices. Third question, who is Muthu? Answer, Muthu is the owner of a shop. Fourth question, what did mother ask Raj to buy? Answer, his mother asked him to buy some cinnamon, bitter leaves, ginger and garlic. Fifth question, what did Raj buy? Answer, Raj bought sesame seeds, onions, tomatoes and pickles. Next paragraph question, describe the poem I Dream of Spices. Answer, this is a simple and interesting poem by Raj Armugam on a little boy memory while shopping for his mother. One day, when Raj's mother asked him to buy cinnamon, betel leaves, ginger, and garlic, but Raj brought sesame seeds, onions, tomatoes, and pickles, he gets loudly punished by his mother. Next book back exercise. Exercise B. Choose the correct answers. First question. Mother called dash. Option A Muthu. Option B Raj. Option C Ram. Correct answer. Option B Raj. Second question. Mother did not ask for dash. Option A cinnamon. Option B cardamom. Option C betel leaves. Correct answer, option B cardamom. Third question, Raj did not buy dash. Option A onions and sesame. Option B ginger and garlic. Option C tomato and pickles. Correct answer, option B ginger and garlic. Next, C exercise. Appreciating the poem. Find an example of alliteration in the poem. What is alliteration? Alliteration is repetition of the consonant at the beginning of two or more words in a line. For example, mother twists my ears. Mother, first letter M, consonant. Next, my, first letter M, consonant. So, mother, my. Next answer. First one, sesame, seeds. Sesame, first letter S. Seeds, first letter S. Second one, what, want. First letter W, what, want. First letter W. Third one, ginger, garlic. Ginger, first letter G, consonant. Garlic, first letter G, consonant. So these are alliteration in this poem. Next, E exercise. Tell the story of the poem in 3 or 4 sentences with the help of the pictures given below. Some of the pictures in your book. First picture, mother asks her son to go to shop and buy a few items. Second picture, the boy goes to shop and buys different items. Third picture, he returns home. Fourth picture, mother sees the items and punishes him. Next, writing skills. Exercise F. Read the jumbled lines from the poem and rearrange them in correct order. Now I say answer. First one, my mother would say. Second one, little boy Raj. Third one, go to Muthu's. Next one, and get some. Next one, cinnamon beetle leaves. Next one, and ginger and garlic. Next one, and so I go to the shops. Next one, singing all the way. Next, and when Muthu asked me. Next one, what I would want. Next one, I rattle off a list. Next line, sesame seeds, onions. Next line, tomatoes and pickles. Next line, and back home. Next line, my mother twists my ear. Last one, ouch. In the order formation, 4, 6, 3, 5, 1, 2, 7, 8, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 15, 14, 16. Next exercise G. Fill in the blanks with the different verse and write your own poem. Your title for the poem, Me and Money. My mom would say, little boy or girl, Mano, go to Money's and get some tomato, brinjal, carrot and onion. And so I go to the Money's singing all the way. And when Money asks me what I want, I rattle off a list: biscuit, candies, cakes and wafers, and back home. My mother twists my ears. Ouch. Okay children, I hope all are watching this video class and PDF link. Today's assignment, read and write given question answer, paragraph answer, write in your classwork note. Other exercise, write in your book back exercise. Write in cursive style and neat presentation. Watch the YouTube video link till you understand. Complete the given assignment and report on time without fail. Take care children. Thank you.